How to change your Bell Wi-Fi password. Now you have two options. In this case, you could use the web browser or the Bell Wi-Fi app. So you can choose from whichever. So the Bell Wi-Fi app is pretty simple. You log in there, connect your Wi-Fi. If it already is, you can just manage and change your password from there. In the Bell Hub website or the web version, you're gonna have to go to your preferred browser and search for this. Type in 192.168.2.1, and then you're gonna go ahead to manage Wi-Fi. So press on manage Wi-Fi. In multiple cases, you will be asked for an administrator login, but before you do this, make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Then just go ahead and put in the password. The password should be found on the back of your router or modem. It should look something like this. So make sure you do have access to your modem or Bell Wi-Fi router. It should be the password, Wi-Fi password, or administrator login password. Depends on whatever says on the sticker of your modem. So type that in here, and then you will be able to enter the manage Wi-Fi section. Make sure the whole home Wi-Fi is toggled on over here. And then you can just change your network name or your password. Just type in the password you want and then just go ahead and scroll down and save. But that's pretty much some ways you can change your Bell Wi-Fi password. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.